Now that we know what a hook is, let's look at some common WordPress hooks you'll likely need to use when developing WordPress plugins. The first one we'll look at is plugins loaded. This is one of the most important hooks in any plugin development process. Plugins loaded is fired after all the WordPress files are loaded on a page, but before the pluggable functions. Then WordPress starts executing everything. So now you can understand no code snippet will run until this hook is fired. The next one we'll look at is init. This hook is fired after everything is set up in WordPress. WordPress also tries to add plenty of things. For example, registration of taxonomies, that's like a category, initialization of the default widgets and post types. You can say that everything is ready when it will come to this hook. So your plugin, whatever you are developing, will perhaps use the init hook for anything it needs to do when the entire information of WordPress is available to use. Next, we'll look at WP Head. You can see the difference with or without using WP Head in your template. Without this hook, you will not see anything besides your own written code. But with this hook, you will see or have access to extra files like JavaScript, CSS, etc. after your written code in the head section. Next, let's look at the template redirect. The importance of this hook is that it is at this point, WordPress knows which page or post a visitor is viewing. It is just executed before the theme is chosen for the particular page view. Template redirect doesn't fire in the admin area. It just fires only on the front side of your website. The hook is very useful if you want to load a specific piece of code only for a certain page view. Next, let's look at admin menu. Admin menu hook is just for admin pages when a page loads. If your plugin doesn't need to execute in the front end, when your plugin works directly in the admin side, you will absolutely use admin menu to run your code. A full list of available actions and filters can be found at this link here. So this is the action reference on the WordPress Codex. And here, this is the filter reference on the WordPress Codex. All right, so in the next lesson, we'll define post types and talk about the benefits of using them in plugin development. Stay tuned.